Hey, mathematicians. It is time to start math old style with a couple of alterations. So I'm going to walk you through what to do, and we'll have brand new math lessons 4 days a week. Uh, and it's going to go just like this. First, you go to this classroom, the 1920 classroom, and you click on classwork. Then you click on math. So when you see math, you will see this, and I haven't posted it. I won't post it till, well, it'll be posted by the time you see this. I take that back. And it says triangles number 1, lesson and homework. Now, the only thing you don't see here is I'll also attach this tutorial. So if you need to rewatch it, you can rewatch it or watch it for the first time. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the triangles video. Now, I've already clicked on this stuff, so it doesn't take time loading, so you don't get bored. And here is the triangles video. And what do you know? Take a look. It's me. Well, it's my hands. And all you have to do is hit play. And I'll just play the very beginning. Now, here's the great thing about doing math this way. You can pause me anytime you want. You don't have to say, Mr. Newby, you're writing too fast. You don't have to stop me if you can't tell how a word is spelled. You can zoom in, you can stop, you can rewind. If I say something and that's really confusing, you can go back. And that's kind of the great thing about being able to do this math this way. Now, what I can't do is instantaneously answer your questions. There are going to be a couple of ways that I can do that. Way number 1, you just ask me a question in the comments. Actually, 3 ways. Way number 2, I can meet you one-on-one. Way number 3, after you do the homework, if I find that there's a thing that a bunch of kids don't understand, I'm going to have a short math answer session with small groups. And then when I do that answer session, I will record it for people who aren't ready to see it. Okay, so you watch the whole video, you take the notes. I've got about 2 pages worth, and it's on, well, there I am turning the page. Wait a minute, let's click a little bit. So I've got about 2 pages worth of triangles, and then you go back to the assignment and you click on the answer sheet. Now, when you click on the answer sheet, this is what you're going to see. And every kid's got one. And once you answer it, I will see one for every kid. And then I just want to go through it because I'm going to ask you to look at a bunch of triangles and identify them. So there's the picture. And then if you go down, name the triangle number 4, and you have multiple choice. When you get all the way to the bottom, you will see 2 questions, and you need to give them a short answer. As always in mathematics, I will not be grading you for spelling or grammar. I am hoping, since you're all getting on Typing Club, that you're slowly kind of making it faster and easier to answer questions like this. Plus, you'll see that every question has a little red star. Unless you answer every question with a red star, you can't send it. So when you're done, you send it. And yours will look just a little different because I've got some controls and stuff like that. So to recap, you go to this classroom, you go to math, you go to the lesson and homework, you watch the video and take the notes, then you come back and you answer the questions, basically. And that's all it's going to take. So that's math. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments, sign up for a one-on-one, or as I said, I'll have small groups a little bit later. Thanks so much, and we'll see you on the math.